You love it on burgers, fries, and sandwiches. But have you ever wondered how mayonnaise is actually made? Today, we're going inside a factory that produces over 1 million bottles of mayo every single day. Mayonnaise is the cold, creamy sauce that turns regular food into comfort food. But did you know? Its commercial journey began in the early 1900s. A German couple in New York started selling homemade mayo with their salads, and people couldn't get enough. So, they turned it into a full-blown product, and the world never looked back. Now it all starts on a farm, with 23,000 free-range hens. Each hen lays 1 egg a day, and every egg is placed tipped down in trays so the yolk settles just right. One batch, about 21,500 eggs, makes nearly 11,000 jars of mayonnaise. These eggs head straight to a facility that processes over 4 million eggs a day. For mayonnaise, only the yolk is needed. A high-speed machine cracks and separates 280 eggs in just 10 seconds. The yolks are salted to boost shelf life from 2 weeks to 3 months, then pasteurized and stored in 1,000-kilo tanks. Next comes soybean oil, arriving in sealed trucks to ensure freshness. Then the secret slurry, a blend of vinegar, salt, and mystery spices. Now we have 3 tanks ready to go: yolk, oil, and slurry. Inside a huge mixer, the magic happens. Egg, oil, and slurry are blended into rich, creamy mayonnaise. A touch of starch is added to keep the texture smooth and stable, and gentle heat locks it all together. Every batch goes through strict quality testing, checking color, consistency, and of course, taste. Then, the creamy mayo is pumped into jars. Each jar is filled with exactly 680 grams of mayo in under 1 second. They're sealed, labeled, and boxed. Some are even packed in sachets for fast food joints and sandwiches on the go. So next time you squeeze mayo onto your fries or your burger, remember, behind every drop is science, precision, and 23,000 hens working overtime. Like the video if you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes journey, and subscribe for more food factory stories.